on, guys? Carventure Squad back here. Apologize, haven't had too many videos coming out here lately. As you know, live in an apartment, and our time here is coming to an end, so trying to find a new house, everything like that, trying to keep you guys updated with videos and skiing stuff and also work and all that. But yeah, so I got a nice little video for you guys. Weather is amazing here in Colorado today. We got two things from Perrin. So the first car show of the year was last week, and I wanted to make my engine bay look a little bit better. So I got a radiator shroud from Perrin and also a belt cover from Perrin in this box, and they give you all the equipment that you need to put it on. So I will unbox them real quick and show you what each box has. Alright guys, so first thing we'll open up is this belt cover from Perrin. There were directions in here. I put them over here so they didn't fly away. It's a little windy out here today. We got equipment needed for the install of this belt cover. Put that right over there. I'll take out the belt cover right now. So I went with the black and white. Let's see if I can get it out of the case really quick. So on my car, obviously going with the black and white scheme. So here is the belt cover from Perrin, and this will sit right about here. So we'll cover up all these kind of oxidized, you know, alternator and AC compressor and stuff like that. So I'll make that look a little bit prettier, and then we'll go over to this nice long box and we'll check out what's in there. Alright guys, wind's blowing around, but I'll try to do this one-handed. So now we're at the long box. This is the radiator cover. Let me get this so I can do this one-handed. So for you guys, this pretty much just goes into the OEM bolts right here and just dresses up the front. I'll try and take it out for you so you can see what it looks like. Here is same color scheme, just the finished black and the white Perrin symbol. I'll go up here, and yeah, so I think I'm going to do the belt cover first because that has a little bit more steps just to attach it, and then we'll do the radiator cover next, and we'll check out how the engine bay looks out after. Okay guys, so I will post a little picture right about now with the directions of what is included in this Perrin belt cover. So they give you two spacers, one smaller one and one larger one right there, two of the same size Allen key bolts, and then two washers for those, and then one bolt. So this one, the shorter one, is going to go on your alternator flat mount right here, so it just sits right in place. The longer one will sit on top of I forgot what pulley this is, but it'll be right here, so it screws into place right here. There's a threaded nut right at the bottom. So short washer or short spacer, long spacer right here and here, and then you basically just, you know, use the washer and the Allen bolt, and they go right in, and this will sit right on top of the spacers. So I will do that real quick. I'll get one side done and then I'll show you the other side. Alright guys, we're back. So we got the belt cover on. Looks nice. So like I said, there's just the tall washer or tall spacer goes here. The Allen key bolt goes through and it bolts right into this already like welded on nut right there. You can kind of see it. And then washer up top to make it look pretty. This side, man, this side was a pain. So same thing, except you use a small spacer. You can see it right there. Use a small spacer. You drop this through, but there's a bolt and a wall. Alright, what's up guys? So we have the radiator shroud now that we're going to be putting on. So first off, it's a super simple install. You're gonna want to take off these Mishimoto radiator brackets, these two, and it's just an Allen head. So I will post in the video what size that is. So I already have them loose, so I'm just gonna take them off. Some off to the side. And so I have aftermarket Mishimoto radiator in here. So bad thing is I had to do a little bit of trimming to this Perrin radiator shroud. Just right up here I had to take off like a 1/4 inch just so that'll fit where the cap is. So for me, I have to undo this overflow hose. So I'll just come back here, and I'll probably need to get a pair of pliers or something like that and take this hose off. And once I get that hose off, it basically just slides right into place, and I'll show you guys what it looks like before I bolt it down. What's up, guys? So I got it back on. It's a very tight fit. So the nipple of this, I believe this is overflow. It's very close to the Perrin shroud, but I got it to fit. There's a little bit of markings from where I had to cut, but you can barely see it. So I'm very happy with that. I got this guy back in here. I figured out what size that Allen key was. It is a 3/16. You could probably not see that, but 3/16 Allen key for both of these bolts that go in here. And I'm going to put the other what do you want to call this, radiator bracket in, and then I'll show you what it looks like when it's all done. Cool. Alright guys, so there's the video on both my new little Perrin accessories that I got for my engine. I think they dressed up the engine really nice. I mean, got their nice little logo right here and here. Kind of hides some of the belts and stuff like that, cleans up the engine. But yeah, that's gonna be it for today's video. I'm gonna try and keep giving you guys some more content. Summer's coming around, so I got some definite big surprises for this car. So you guys need to stay tuned, and keep you posted on everything that's to come to this car. Stay tuned, guys. Peace.